Okay, so as you can see, this is the control panel from my Remax 3040. I've got the hand wheel with most macros on it, and very practical. It runs on Mac 3 for my part because I prefer Mac 3, but I know John has a few taps of controller. So programmation is basically basic FANUC. So really, it will take any basic G code and honestly, very good machine. As you can see, I had the A, B, and C axis with plugins. So if I want to run on a 4-axis setup like I've got here, all I have to do is, sorry for the video, all I have to do is plug it and play. So that's another nice advantage of Remax. You can order pre-charged, and the machine is all ready for a 5 to 6 axis setup on it. And these are the type of holders that I simply made with the shoulder that I offer. And that's another reason why I'm going to go see John and everything. We need to trade up on that and everything. So simple, you know, if you don't take it with a tool changer, you can simply use this type of tools. And once they're preset in the controller, they repeat within 1/10 of an inch to 5/10 of a thou of an inch. I've been working on aerospatial, on plane parts, car parts. I've been doing many diverse parts on this machinery, and it is awesome. As you can see, these are stainless steel parts that were made for Saputo cheese and yogurt and stuff like that. On this machine, this is 316 stainless steel, and it was done on my 4th axis harmonic drive. These were made, engraved, and fabricated on this machine on a setup of 4-axis and a simple 3-axis setup for the engraving. So yeah, I really like the machine. I bought it pre-COVID, and it came in from Vancouver while the trains were down because of all those train closures and everything. And John was really accommodating and everything, did his max, and that's how our partnership started developing. And since then, I haven't bought no other machinery from China but from John. And I am going, as I was speaking with you earlier, I'm going down there in July to speak about the partnership that we've developed, since I'm the one taking care of Canada for what's of the machinery parts and distribution and stuff like that. So yeah, as you can see, mine, it was his early models. I basically took the basic model for me by being a mechanical designer and everything, and started building from that basic platform. So that's one big advantage you've got from Remax, is customization upon your request and your needs. So in just one moment, I'll start up the machine and I'll show you what it's capable of. This is 6061 T6 aluminum, and I am going to be machining with a 5/8 fly cutter, and I'll show you the chip load and what it can do. And okay, here we are. I'll show you at start off what the machine can give, and after that I'll show you the machine using a T-slaughter. Yeah, the machine's got full water cooling system. As you can see, I am taking 1/8 deep by 1/8 sideways cuts. this is the chip load. As you can see, we're doing nice chip with this, you know. So we're going to be doing the tool change like I was showing you. Simple. And all I have to do, take the new tool, put in the spindle, and place my water. As you can see, we are performing the slot with a T-slot tool. So you can use basically any tool a mill can use and the big CNC mill can do on basically a smaller scale. And as you can see, it comes with all the necessities, the water pumps and everything. And this is our finished product that we are cutting at the moment.